Hi friends, and thanks for being here. I'm Anna Helman, and today I want to talk about keeping your ink pads clean. Do you ever find that your ink pads have little dust or dirt or like fibers on the tops if you clean your stamps with baby wipes? Sometimes those little fibers end up on your ink pads. If you ever get irritated about something being on top of your ink pads and you wanting to clean them up, I have a really quick and easy way to share with you today to do that without getting your hands all inky. Let's take a look at it. Here are two ink pads, each which have just a little bit of dirt or dust, or this one has some little tiny fibers from those baby wipes on it. I thought it would be great to show you how to clean these up today. It is so quick and easy, and here is how I do it with a lint roller. So I already peeled the sheet off to give myself a fresh sticky surface here, and I am going to roll that across the top of my ink pad, and we'll see if you can see. There might be a couple of tiny ones left, but that got most of those fibers that were on the surface. So sometimes if there's a little bit left, I'll do it again, and looks clean as can be now. So to do more colors, all you need to do is peel off that piece to reveal a fresh one. And you can do the next one. So I discovered this a few years ago. I was thinking, how can I get that off the surface? And lint roller to the rescue. It works perfectly. So while we're here talking about keeping our ink pads clean or cleaning them up when they are not clean, I'll show one more thing I like to do. This is how I love to clean up around the edges of my ink pads. This is my Stampin' Chamois. It is very well loved. It used to be pretty lavender before I started using it to clean my stamps, but I just love to keep my ink pads clean. But this is perfect. You just run it along the edge and it soaks that ink right up, and they look as good as new. So hopefully these tips help you. If you like card making tips and tricks, click on the name of my channel below. You'll go to my main page. Right there at the top will be my card making tips and tricks playlist, and you can watch and learn all day if you like. Thanks so much for being here. If you're new, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.